Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to make mango salad. I have uploaded the mango salad video a couple of times, and each time the method of cutting the mango is quite dangerous when look at it. And for this time, I'm going to show you how we can cut the mango differently without any risk. For ingredients, which we have about 5 pieces of shallots, 1 tablespoon of dry prawns, 2 tablespoons of roasted groundnut, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 5 pieces of red and green chili. For the green mango, I'm using chokanan mango. So I'm going to start off with cutting the mango. So we need to remove the skin first. Alright, we have 2 mangoes and I'm going to wash it first and then we can cut it. Previously, how I cut the mango, I always chop like this, which is very dangerous. Today is risk-free. So we are going to slice the mango first. Alright, we have our mango nicely cut. Look at that. It's also as good and beautiful. Alright, done cutting. So now we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, I have washed the dry prawns with hot water. And now I'm going to put it in the grinder. Just put it here so it won't stuck on the top because it's very little. If you do not have the grinder, right, you can pound it with the mortar and pestle. Okay, I'm going to grind it. Alright, in second, we have our dry prawn. Looks like that. Now we can go and do our mango salad. I'm going to put in all the mango that we cut. Maybe I don't want to put all. I think this is a lot already. Just keep a bit for tonight. First thing first, before I mix all the ingredients, I need to taste the mango first, whether it is how sour it is. Wow, the mango is also very sour. I think maybe we need to add more of the sugar, but it's okay. So we put in the sugar, all of them, salt. For the chili, you can put half first because if it's too much, too spicy. And for the shallots, right, maybe we just break them a bit and then just put in fish sauce, groundnut, and the dry prawns. Dry prawn we can put maybe just keep a bit for topping, just like that, and then just mix. Very simple, just mix it. Smells so good. That's it, mango salad. Now I can taste it. Wow, it's very nice. Because it's too sour, right, I'm going to add in 1 more tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of fish sauce. If the mango is not too sour, then no need to add this. It's good already. So just give it a good mix. And we are done. Very simple and easy. You can taste it a bit. Wow. So good. Now I can dish out and serve. Put in some more groundnut. And then the dry prawns. It looks so appetizing. Wow, it is really nice. It's very appetizing. The mango is sour, crunchiness from the roasted groundnut. Lovely. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more of my easy cooking video like this. Thank you and bye bye.